Yes, friends, it takes time to make quality video. Hit the like button and comment to say thank you. I will drop this prompt in description below. Thanks.
It's fun riding on!
Yeah, what a fun it is!
Absolutely! This is the life!
Wind in the fur, city flying by, perfect day!
Hold on tight! We've got more miles to smile!
About that, Jace. Woohoo! Hang on! This is awesome! Corner coming up! Got it! Whoa, look at the carts! And the boats! Racing!
What if I told you make unlimited AI videos with 30 to 60 seconds processing with this unlimited AI video generator with 4K quality, no sign-ins, and it's clearer, sharper than Veo 3 or Sora 2. In this video, I'll show you how to create professional-grade videos in just minutes. And if you stick around until the end, I'll reveal the best way to get prompts with better results every time. And it's best for marketing, animation videos, even nature and foods advert videos. Look at how cool that video was created. Stunning, right? But here's where it gets even more exciting. I'm going to show you how to maximize your AI video's potential with a secret trick that'll give you the best result and save you tons of time. So let's get started. But before we go on to try, let's see what it actually does and see a little features of this website. It says, create stunning AI videos instantly. And here it says, transform your ideas into professional videos in seconds with AI Gen Max. No sign-up required, completely free, and powered by advanced artificial intelligence. So now you can see that it is completely free. You don't need to sign up, just come onto this website and begin to generate your unlimited video creation. Now I want us to go furthermore to see a few more features about it. You can see here it says, save time and money. No technique asking needed. Unlimited creative freedom. And in this place it says, our technology is continuously updated and improved. You always get access to the latest advancement in AI video generation and all of that. And there is somewhere it says that it is unlimited. I wanted to show you that part. So if you look at this place, it says, why choose AI Gen Max? Why choose AI Gen Max? Now I just want to show you a few things about it before we go on to generate video with this new AI video generator. It says, unlimited creative freedom. You can see it here. Create as many videos as you want with no limits. Experience with different ideas, styles, and approaches without worrying about cost or restrictions. Your creativity is the only limit. Wow, look at how cool this website is. You don't need to sign up, you don't need to sign in to generate your videos. And one good thing about it is that it saves you time. It is quality enough, it has 4K video resolution, 4K screen resolution, and it is unlimited. So what are you waiting for? Let's go straight to generate one video from this and see how it works. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this place, Create Video Now. And then whilst we are waiting for it to open up, okay, it's opened already. So now it's opened, you can see in this place here, where that's in this interface, you can see text to video, and you can see image to video. So you can actually generate using your text prompt, and you can also generate using your own image. And you can see aspect ratio here. You can either generate landscape image, landscape videos, or portrait videos for your YouTube Shorts, TikTok Reels, Facebook Reels, and all of that. Unlike Gemini Pro or Veo that has only landscape. You can see that this one is even more, this one has more features than Veo. But that notwithstanding, Veo is still great. So now we are going ahead to our ChatGPT to get our prompt. Now I'm going to use this prompt which I have already generated. If you don't know how to generate prompts, you can check in the description below. Hit follow the link to get this prompt which I'm going to be using. So if you already have your prompt or you don't have, you can go ahead to ChatGPT and generate one. And then you input your prompt in this space here where it says video generation. So you can see this point. This is a video generation. You just click on it and then paste your prompt. I'm going to delete it and paste it again so you see. So I'll click paste. So I'll just drop my prompt and then I'll go down here, and because I want to make it landscape for normal YouTube video, so I'll click on this point here. You can see this place here. It says 30 to 60 seconds processing. That's the minute it takes to process. And you can see high quality output in this place. Now it shows you as well that you can actually make a video up to 1 minute, 60 seconds. So now one thing I also want you to understand here is that even if you don't know how to give prompt, you can actually use this place where it has given you examples like product demo. If you are someone that wants to make video on products, you can use this for marketing. And if you want to make videos for animation, like for kids, you can use this particular button here. If you are for nature or for food, it already has those features embedded for you. But if you feel you have a custom idea and you have your own prompt which you want to use, so you can just go ahead and impute your own prompt in this space here. And once you are done with that, you go down and click on Generate VO 3.1. So we'll go ahead and click on it. Let's generate our video. So our video is processing. You can see here it's queued up for processing. So let's wait for it to generate. Our video is done generating, so look at how cool it is. We are going to play it to see how cool it is. How cool is this? To download the video, right-click your mouse, click Save As, and boom, it's saved. If you're using a phone, press and hold on to the video for a second, and then click Save. So, now that you know how easy it is to make unlimited AI videos in 4K, no sign-ins, better than the competition, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and try it yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on creating pro videos with AI. I am Emmanuel E. Onet, and I'll see you in the next one.